Hey guys, it's Mr. Piggy, and I am playing a parkour map with slime blocks. And I got enchantment gold apples because sometimes I played this before, and these are some of the jumps are so tall that if you miss, ow, you get damaged a lot. That's why I need enchanted gold apples. But I didn't cheat them in. I actually started with them. How did I not bounce on that? I hit it, but I didn't bounce. I can't even get past the first level. And also by hunger issues. There is supposed to be rules, but there isn't. Wait. There's no rules about turning it off normal or something. Yeah, it's on normal. There's no rules of putting it on peaceful. Wait, I missed the slime block. I'm doing that again. I'm going to do every single slime block. I made it, but I want to do every single one. I want to do it the real way. Now I did it the real. Like this. No, not like this one. This isn't a tall one. Oh, I almost made that first try. This isn't a tall one. So, oh, like that. Let's fail like that. This one is a little hard. Okay. Maybe it is. Wow. Maybe it's not a little hard. It's very hard. Oh my gosh. I can't even make the first jump. My gosh, this is hard. What is this so hard? I don't know why I just don't speak English. I don't know why this wasn't this hard when before played it. Probably because I'm bad at parkour. Oh, I finally made it. Okay, this is a tall one that I'm talking about. That also has a long ladder. I made it first try. That means I didn't have to go up the ladder. The long one. Okay. Yeah, I made it. I made it. Oh. Yeah, I'm glad they made those ladders because I'm not doing that. Oh, okay, whoa! Again. Wait, can't it just bounce there? Nah, I'm going to do it the real way. I thought you were supposed to bounce there and then to the other thing. Okay, or that. Okay. Why can't I jump? Oh, whoa! Oh, God. I don't think it's possible to get there unless... Yeah, it's impossible, I think. If you guys try this out, it might be possible for you, but might not be possible for me because I'm bad at parkour. Whoa! I actually did it! Oh yeah, it's impossible to make it then. You cannot go on that, I mean. Or I can't even make it again. That wouldn't have been a perfect jump. So mad. This one jump is so hard. So hard. Why is it so hard? Only one chance on apple surprisingly. Oh my gosh! I made it! Oh. Fail. Supposed to go down there. Oh, well, if we fail, you get to climb all the way back up. I'm not cheating. I'm falling down the hole on the slime block, and I am horrible at climbing ladders. Alright, to go all the way out. So, I was an inch away. Come on. I swear I jumped. Oh, I made it! I made it! The proper way! We're going down the hall. Oh, this one. Okay, no, this is not easy. This one is not easy. I remember doing this one and I almost died. I was at 1 heart left and I did this. Oh, you're supposed to get exactly in it right when you jump. Oh, my my whatever they're called are gone. Ah! So hard! Oh, I am horrible at climbing ladders. Cool, enchanted golden apple. How do you do that? You know what? Whoa. Lag, lag, lag. If I can't do this, I'm just gonna break the slime box and put them, oh gosh, put them where it's not supposed to go. There. I banged my head. Okay, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Sorry I had to do it, but I had to. It had to be done. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I don't want that one, I want that one. Nope. Yeah, there. At least I have to do a little parkour to get up. Oh my gosh! So annoying. Okay, that's impossible. Lag. It's hard. There's so much lag. God! Oh my gosh! What was that? Oh. Yeah, I made it! I actually made it. I thought I would fall, so I would have to go back. Oh no, this is a real parkour. Like actual parkour. I am worse than this damn it, this slime block jump parkour. This parkour map is so hard. I kinda want to play a Mario parkour map next time I do one. I'll try to find one. But leave in the comment below if you want me to do a Mario map or a different one. Or a different game, like Minecraft. Or a different game that I have. Oh, right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Oh my gosh! That was epic. Oh no. This is real parkour also. This is how I did it last time. Okay. 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 Down safely. Oh no, this is the best. Oh no! No! You know what? If I fail one more time, I'm not doing the parkour again. So I'm just gonna break the slime box and then place it back. They'll never know that I cheated. Unless they watch my video. Okay, yeah, I'm not doing it again. If I make it again, I'm just gonna break this slime block. Oh my gosh! There we go. Oh gosh! Jumped on there. I made it! Yeah! I totally did not cheat. Oh. Read all the signs, please. Read all the signs, please. Read all the signs, please. Okay. Ooh, emeralds. Oh my gosh, diamond pickaxes. Pickaxe. Okay, I'm supposed to put it there. Can't I just put the pickaxe in there? No. Or what? I'm gonna stab you? Oh, 1 emerald, 1 slime block. Okay, sorry. Sorry. Oh. Whoops. Can I break the redstone? Oh, oops. I don't think I was supposed to do that. I'm so sorry. Well, I didn't do anything. I killed the person that does it, and I broke the redstone, so this might not work anymore. So I need to get these emeralds and get 4 slime blocks. Or do I just need 1? Okay, yeah, I just need 1. Please slime block, place slime block on diamond block. 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 Okay, I think I got it. Put it in there. Yes, it doesn't work. I have to break it. I think I broke the mat. Wait, I got it. So give me my emerald back. Put that back. I totally did not rob it. There we go. But whoa! I did not mean to place it there. Got it there. Oh gosh. You could just cheat on this level. Not by not putting it on the diamond block and just keep getting more and making stairs up. Well, I'm gonna do it the proper way. I made it. I seriously made it. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, I clearly bounced on that. Really? Really? At least I still got my 4 beautiful diamonds. I never say beautiful. Oh my gosh, I just hit my head on something. This video is gonna be very long. Oh my god! Stop banging. You can't run. Oh my gosh, lag. So you can't run and jump, but you can walk and jump. No, you just walk, you don't jump. Yeah, that's my dad. Who can hear him? Oh! Good. How are you supposed to get back up? How do you get back up? This one I have to cheat on. There's no way back up. Okay. I successfully failed a level. Well, wait, I can escape the whole thing. And I don't want to. Yeah, I had to cheat. I had to cheat that, guys, so don't blame me. They didn't finish the map. They didn't add ladders for that one. Actually, I'm almost done. I'm done! Wait, it is supposed to be a peaceful. I want these caves. At least I can pick it. Whoa. YouTube Minecraft PE cheats. What? YouTube cheats? Okay, I'll try them. Wait a minute. That one. Nom 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 nom. Since I can't eat, I'm breaking them. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. So I get to keep these. So guys, think I might end the video now. So wait, no, we're not. I'll put everything in one of the items that I got. So guys, I'll see you guys next